Hi there guys and gals, good evening to each every one of you. Let's now continue my reviews for this movie Weapons. Just watched this last August 9 and I have to continue for this one because I'm not convinced for myself on the last time that I make a reviews for this one. So let's not hold this back, but before that I just want to thank the Lord for all the wonderful blessings that He gave to me, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Abordo, Christine, my sister Helen Carreta, my childhood friend, and a special mention to Kim Bot of H3 Santa Lucia Mall, Phase 3 in front of Fountain area. If you want to buy some accessories to your phones and you want your phones to be tempered, please visit Kim Bot of H3. She will give you a good price and good service and a friendly treatment. Okay? So, to all my silent subscribers out there, hi. To all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces, thank you so much, each every one of you. And Ate Tabita. Okay guys, you know what? Now I know the reasons why is it that the weapons looks like here. Is it what I'm trying to say, the weapons, the writing for this one is just like this because it's some kind of, the movie is all about you are being puzzled and there's a format of the story. And you know what, if you're gonna ask me, I think weapon shouldn't be the title itself. It should be a objects. Why should I tell that? Because of what I have observed about the movie. But before that, I'm gonna tell you that this is a good one. It runs for 2 hours, more than almost 2 hours, and there are some scenes which are some kind of a little bit boring. I keep on telling them that, come on, make it fast, do it now. So I'm being hurried because they have a slow pace, and there are some scenes that which are not relevant to the story, especially when the two characters, I'm gonna tell you what are they portraying, but these two characters, when they had a confrontation, one of them pressing the pants of the one that the character searching, and then after a while something hit his or her finger, and then I thought there will be some story about why is it that there's, I'm thinking that there's a significant on having his or her pinned by a, what's this, the kind of thing that doing in a hospital, the injection, what's that term, and then so I felt disappointed about that kind of scenes. And the reason why sorry you will keep on guessing who are the suspects. Why was that the children's got disappeared? And on the first part of the movie, although this is not a kind of a spoiler alert, I felt quite disappointed because the storytellers has a very soft voice, even though I know the one that the telling on the story is a kid, but still they should have make the voice of the storyteller be more louder even though he or she is a kid. And what else? It's some kind of a scary, terrifying, terrific, horrific, brutal, lots of what's this? A shocking scenes, and some of the characters who will think that he or she was the one who's doing that kind of making children disappears. And please give me some second. Uh, there's a touch of it. There's a touch of sinister, and also a combination of what's this? The other one. Oh gosh, I forgot. It, sinister, not the village of the damned. There's a touch of, oh gosh, I forgot the other one. I already said that on my review. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to it. And what I love for this movie, because there's, even though there are some slow pace, there's a redeeming factor at the end of the story, and I think, excuse me, there will be a sequel or part 2 for this one because of the box office results and how the moviegoers appreciated this movie. And the reason why I'm telling this, that the weapon should change them with objects title, because the one that the perpetrator using for this, the one that the perpetrator using to get the children disappears is an object, not a weapon. Although some of the scenes they show like guns and they have a imaginary Armalite, but since that kind of weapons didn't make it happen to make the story being relevant, it's really an object, guys and girls, because the bad one who make the children being disappeared make this kind of a objects like bell and a voodoo stick, and then he makes some kind of a little whispering words, or like a little prayer before he will make some he will make an evil act for the victims. And what else? That's why. And then sorry, please forgive me. I think that would be all for now. Sorry, I'm being lost. Thank you, and please embrace yourself with this, because there are lots of screaming factor, and if you have this kind of if you are brave enough, or if you have this kind of strong feeling that you can have this scary scenes in most of the running of the movie, it's all up for you. Okay, bye for now. Thank you. Although, hold on. The one I'm telling, there's a touch of, guys, please forgive me. Sinister, it. I forgot the other one. Anyway, I'll just put it on the comment. Bye for now. Thank you.